What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Kai, and I am here with a YouTube video. I would say another, but I think this will probably be my first video. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, stop. That's so corny. If you already don't follow me on TikTok, here's my TikTok. Yeah, I had a series on my TikTok, which I was basically renovating my brother's old room because he moved out. And I pretty much finished, so everyone wants to see how it looks. Because it's hard to do like a full room tour on TikTok. So yeah, I'd rather do it on YouTube. So I will be putting everything linked in the bio. I will be putting everything linked in the description box, so y'all can shop on that or whatever you want to do with that information. But yeah, let's just honestly get into the room tour. Also, before you start, could y'all subscribe please, and like the video, and comment your favorite or suggestions about the room. But yeah, let's get started. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga. So this is what you see when you first walk into my room. I guess we can start from here and make our way over. Actually, let's just start from what's behind the door. So as you can see, I got this like baby Milo bait mirror. I use it to like put on my accessories and see how I look in the mirror with the accessories on. Below it is I made this from like a glass picture frame. So I took the glass out and I drew on the vape thing. Yeah, with like a Sharpie. I basically have a tutorial on my TikTok. I'll also put that in the description. But yeah, I just hang up all my jewelry here. I just think it looks pretty cool and stuff. Like, it's also doesn't take up any space at all. It's on the wall, so it's not really, you know. And then right next to it, I have this DIY glasses hanger. I'm gonna get more because I'm probably gonna have more glasses in the future. But I just got some command strip hooks, and the thing that it's holding on to, it's a kitchen rack, like for the stove. So yeah, it was very simple. I just thought of it out of nowhere. So yeah, moving over. So now we have the dirty clothes basket. It's white, nothing special about it. Now we have my custom. I commissioned someone to make me a custom damn rug. I love it. Probably one of my favorite things in the room. If y'all know where it's from, it's, you know, Kendrick Lamar favorite thing. And then right here I got this mirror. I don't remember the measurements. I think it's really big, honestly. Like, it's pretty big. Yeah, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace, so it's not really a link for this. I got it for $100. And then also I wanted to fill up the space between this wall and the dresser. So I love music and stuff, so I decided to get some blank CDs and just draw on them. Like, I want this room to like represent me, so it's just random drawings. Of course, it's not gonna be like the best drawing. It's literally just, I was just doodling, and I thought it was just pretty cool to put on here. All right, next is this is where I keep my clothes. So right here, you know, I got a fan. I just got one. My brother left it here, so I just took it over. He also left this white lamp. I just like it right there. Right here is just, you know, I guess cosmetic stuff. So like face, stuff for my face, body, stuff like that. In front of it, I have an incense holder. This is actually a mold for my hands. Like, it's like I made this for my hands. Like, it's my actual for hands. I made this on, well, I think I've recorded the process for TikTok. So if you want to see how to make one, it's honestly pretty simple and self-explanatory. But yeah, I really do like this. Probably my favorite. I'm lying. I just like it a lot. This is just my speaker. This goes anywhere in my room. Next to it, I have my record player. I got this for my birthday last year. Right now, my recent play was Blood Orange. Yeah, that's just been on repeat for a while. And then above it, I got this poster from Etsy. If you literally just search up like Nike poster, like this one will show up. You know, the Travis Scott's pretty nice. I wanted something to poster right here. And you know, I love shoes and stuff and like streetwear. So I was like, yeah, I gotta put this up there. Then I got this statue on Amazon, and then I put some vines in it to just hang it down. I just wanted to like, this is a cool decoration. To this lamp has always been a part of this room, but I just like the color. Like, it's like a sage, a dark sage. It's probably not gonna come right on camera, but it's like a dark sage and stuff. And then the curtains, the blinds are pink from when my sister used to live in this room. She no longer lives with us, obviously. She's a grown woman, so I just thought that the green and the pink matched perfectly together, so I just kept it. I didn't really mind it at all. And then on the windowsill, I got some artificial plants on both sides. Of course, I will not have any real plants in my room because I know I will not be taking care of them. And then I just have 2 shoe racks. These are not all my shoes, but it's just, I guess, my favorite shoes. The other shoes will be in my other room, well, the walk-in closet. Yeah, so I just like how it sits in the front. It's not taking up space at all to me. And then right here we have my Ottoman. I got this off Amazon. You don't have to even set it up. It's so easy. It's honestly, I love how it matches my bed too. And then behind here, also in the Ottoman, I keep storage in here. So like all my accessories, bags, tote bags, stuff like that, I just keep in here. I just thought it was a perfect place to put it and stuff, because it's like you can't even notice that it's in there. And it's a good place to like sit down sometimes. Right behind here, it's just 2 Telfar bags. They couldn't fit in the Ottoman. I didn't want to like crease them or anything, so I just kept them right there. Now, let's get into my bed, like the actual bed. So yeah, it's a lot, but yeah, this is how it looks. I used to have Scooby-Doo sheets, but you know, I was getting clowned on TikTok, so I decided to get brown and stuff. I like it. But let's just get more into the details. So right here, I just put an outlet on the wall with some command strips. It's also convenient and stuff to charge my computer right when I'm like just laying in bed and stuff. Above my bed, I know it's a twin size bed, guys. I really don't care, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm not pressed for one. Like, I'm comfortable. It's not bothering me at all. I don't mind. Like, I just honestly haven't even asked my parents, so I'm just not. It's too late for all that. So I'm perfectly fine with it, and it takes up less space. So please don't bug me. Don't be like, oh, you can't get a queen size. No, I'm literally the only person in the house with a twin size. All the other rooms have bigger beds, but I could honestly switch my bed with like one of the other, like the guest rooms, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm perfectly fine with this. Now above this we have mirror stickers. I wanted a headboard. I wanted something to go over above my bed, but I didn't want a headboard, and I didn't want a poster because I feel like though it would just take up. It honestly just mess it up. So yeah, I got these stickers off of Amazon. I just think it's pretty cool and stuff. Like, it's just geometrical. I think it's awesome. And then right under the I totally forgot. This used to be a closet. Yep. That's why it looks different. Like, that's why it's like a different color too. It's like off-white on the inside. But yeah, this used to be a closet. So if you go on my TikTok, you can see how I turned my closet into this. Like, isn't it crazy like how this used to be a closet? I honestly can't believe it either. I think it's so cool. But yeah, after that I hang up my hats, like basically trucker hats under here. I just think I have a lot of hats, so I just think it's a nice way to I just like it. It's a nice space. Above here, I just have my fitted hats and stuff, you know, stacked up. And then right here, I have a projector. Yep, that's what that's for. A projector. Yep, right there. I project it. I watch movies at night. TV, it's wonderful. Honestly, if you don't feel like spending money on TV, go get yourself a projector. I think it works pretty well for me. I will link that in the description. Then right here, so I got this poster thing off Etsy. Like, it was like 250 or something. It's not 250 up here. I have like a whole bunch left, but they're like individual pictures. So it's not like a poster, it's individual pictures. So I just put, basically I made 3 posters out of them with black magazines, black people only, honestly. I had one of Mariah Carey. I did not put her up there. I don't think she's a black woman. So I also have one of Eminem. Yeah, no, sorry, black people only. Yeah, I also added vines right here to match with the vines up here, because if you look closely, this used to be like the rack where it held the closet doors, and I didn't want that, so I put the vines to cover it. Now above it, I just have some vinyls. These are not all my vinyls. Yeah, these are just the one I love these albums, so I just put them up there. I also have some down there. I'm thinking about putting them right here. I probably will do that. It's probably not gonna be seen in the video. Probably will show you on Instagram though. This is my side table. So on my side table, I have a junk basket. I got this woven basket from Amazon. It's honestly just a basket where I can put like my junk, if you know what I mean, like my remotes, just anything random. It's honestly just some random things. Next to it, we have this coral piece. This is from Amazon. It's supposed to just be like just for decoration, but I decided to put my rings on it because I thought I was like, yo, like I just don't want no basic white piece on here. So I added my rings, so it's honestly like a ring holder. And then right here, these are also my fingers. I molded 2 of my fingers just for them to hold 2 rings. And then right here is a floating shelf, and then above this is my Dunk, my Nike Dunk candles. And yes, it smells very good, so I suggest everyone gets one. Yeah, it's pretty heavy too. Well, it's heavy. Well, it's not heavy, but you know, it's for what it is. It's kind of heavy. Right here, I got this bowl from the thrift store. I just thought it was pretty cool. Probably an ashtray for cigarettes, but it's not anymore. I just put my like wristbands, watches, stuff like that. Ignore what's under it. That's just my medicine. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, then in between, I found a perfect trash can. This trash can fits perfectly in between the space and stuff. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I like it. So, yeah. That is the room tour for the daytime, because it looks totally different at night. So I will be back here in a few hours when it gets dark to show you how it looks at night. Honestly, I like it how it looks better at night and stuff, but I want to show y'all both views and stuff. So I will be right back. I probably will do a cool transition. I haven't thought of one yet, but if I do, just tell me if that transition was good. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. Wait, let me do it again. Daytime. Okay, hopefully that transition was good. I honestly don't know. But yeah, this is how the room looks at night. Here's the things. Oh, people are like, oh, it don't look that different. But I'm gonna tell you why it looks different. So, if you see when I come closer, you'll see something cool. Y'all see? It's sensor lights. It's sensor lights. Don't y'all think that's pretty cool? Like, I just love how it looks. Like, I love, like, it brings depth into the closet, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I added LED lights at the top of each poster. At the top, I just wanted some light up here, but I want it like in a cool way. And I think sensor lights are just so cool. And then under here, under the rack, I got these LED lights. They're magnetic, so I like that about that. Also, you can change the warmthness. So I usually keep it at the warmest one. I just think that's like more roomy or something like that. And yeah, I just love how it just looks. I just think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, if y'all, as y'all can see, I got LED lights like every other teenager now. I also have a night projector. My brother left it here, but I just love how it looks at night as well. Ignore that. You know, if you like turn off all the lights. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a vision. Imagine it's nighttime, you're just sitting in bed, and look, a starry night. I just think it looks cool. And with the purple LED lights, it just makes it look even cooler. So yeah. And I just, yeah. It's very peaceful. I love playing like some Jhené Aiko at this time of night or something. Yeah, this is the projector. I usually just put it, my lights, because it really doesn't matter. Like, I just put them on a really low setting and stuff. And if your computer is on, it will mirror everything that's on the computer. Pretty loud, well, depending on like what speaker you got. I'm actually gonna turn it down. Oh, you gotta actually touch the speaker to turn it down. But yeah. So yeah. And it looks pretty cool. Y'all can't even lie, like, and it smells, it's not a strong smell at all. I also, at night, like, don't tell me this is a vibe. Like, tell me this is a vibe. Like, I love this. I love just watching slowed and reverb songs at night. Like, I just love it so much. Like, it's just, cause I love slow and reverb songs and stuff. It just, yeah, I just can't really explain it. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment. Comment your favorite thing about the room, something that I could do to improve it, just anything, guys. Thank you for being here, for our support. If you haven't already, also follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on YouTube. Also have a Pinterest or in Depop, so if you want to follow me on there, you can too. Everything will be linked in the description. Hope that if you're redoing your room, hope that this helps. Hope that it just gives you any ideas. Yeah, also, yeah, hopefully this YouTube channel gets better and better. Like, the only way is up, you know, you feel me? So, yeah, oh, also comment some things y'all would like to see more on this channel. Thank you again, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, night, or wherever you are. Just, yeah. Still don't know how to end the YouTube videos, so how about we just do a dance? I don't know.